This is my first 35mm film camera, and it's the Olympus OM-1 with the 50mm 1.8 lens. I started off shooting 120 film, which is a medium format, and the negatives are pretty big compared to the 35mm. And I bought this from eBay for £150, and it was a pretty good deal. It came in a really good condition. It was quite clean, and it works really well. Shooting Portra 400. So my first composition, first exposure. The reason I bought this camera because it's fully mechanical and it's not operated by a battery, and the only reason you need a battery is for the built-in light meter. And I've seen other film cameras and there are a lot of options like program mode, aperture priority, full auto, exposure compensation. It just reminds me of a digital camera, and I didn't want that. For me, it's the experience of shooting analog camera and nail exposure with shutter, aperture, depending on your film speed and the lighting conditions. It just slows me down and makes me really think about each exposure that I take. I love this camera with this leather strap. It's pretty trash, it's too long, and even with the shorten setting, I have to tie it up to make it even shorter. Other than that, it's a nice combo, and I would definitely recommend this camera whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, professional, or whatever. It's a nice camera to have. Now I'm working on some photography projects, and I'm excited to use this camera with the black and white film. And that's it, I'm done. See you next time. I'm not done. So basically the roll took me 4 days to finish. First day I was location scouting in Derbyshire for my short film. I took some photos there, and the second day I was location scouting in Manchester and also took some photos there, and on the third day I was just walking around in town. And I was trying to finish the roll but I couldn't, so the next day I went out again and I was walking around near Deansgate and found this really old buildings, and it was a nice contrast to this tall apartment building and the behind. Now I'm finally done. See you next time.